Do you think it's impossible to become a crorepati with just 10,000 rupees a month? Well, let me tell you, it's not. With the right financial plan and patience, you can grow your salary into 1 crore rupees in the long term. Let me show you how. If you are earning 10,000 a month, I know how hard it is to save it alone. But the truth is, it's not about how much you earn. It's about how much you manage and how can you manage. Today, I will break it down step by step how to budget, save and invest smartly too so you can achieve financial freedom over time. Your income can vary, but I am taking the approx earning. Your earning can be more or less than this. So calculate the way I share on your salary, okay? So hello beautiful people, I'm Kushi. Welcome back to It's Your Cup of Tea, where I help you to level up and to vibe better in the shimmery world. And in future videos, I'm gonna share how to make money online. So if you are someone who like to know all the important topics, then don't forget to subscribe it for yourself. Step 1. Smart budgeting. The first step is budgeting. Use the 50, 30 and 20 rule. 50% for essentials like rent, food and bills. 30% for your wants like shopping or entertainment. And 20% for your savings and investments. So if you earn 10,000 rupees, it can be varied like this. 5,000 goes for essentials, 3,000 for your wants and 2,000 for your savings and investments. Even with a small amount like 2,000 rupees a month, you can achieve big results in the long run. Step 2. Save first, spend later. Most people save what's left after spending, but to grow your wealth, flip the script. That is, save first, then spend. Automate your savings if possible so it becomes a habit. This small change is a game changer. Step 3. Start investing early. Most of us think we will start investing in our 30s, but here's where the magic happens. Imagine you invest 2,000 rupees every month into a mutual fund or SIP that gives a 12% annual return. After 25 years, do you know how much you will have? Over 1 crore rupees. That's the power of compounding, earning interest on your interest. Step 4. Be patient and consistent. Building wealth takes time and patience. But as your income grows, you can increase your investments. If you are consistent and stick to your plan, you will see your wealth multiply over the years. Step 5. Example. For example, if a 25 years old invests 2,000 rupees monthly in a SIP and increases it by just 10% each year, they will reach 1 crore rupees before they turn 50. Small consistent efforts lead to massive results. By the way, I have already made some powerful videos on affirmations that can literally change your life. These affirmations are specifically designed to help you attract success, financial freedom, love, self-respect, self-confidence, and more. You can check them out. I have added the links in the description box and they are also available on my channel. I have also created a video on the top 4 techniques to manifest anything you want the fastest. If you are ever wondered how to turn your dreams into reality, that video is for you. Make sure to check that out as well. Don't forget to explore more videos on my channel for topics that can help you level up your life and achieve your goals. The links are in the description box, so go check them out. Comment me from when you are starting this. And don't forget, now it's your cup of tea.